At the moment of infidelity, does a woman think of her husband? The answer is yes. But there's a heartbreaking truth all men need to hear. When a woman decides to betray her marriage, guilt is not the first thing on her mind, instead her top. Priority becomes ensuring that the affair goes completely undetected. The brain, as the command center of the entire process, undergoes the most significant changes. This complex neural hub immediately activates a special operational mode. Different functional regions begin to reconfigure their cooperation. The prefrontal cortex, normally responsible for rational thinking and moral judgment, voluntarily reduces its activity. Like a precision instrument that's been deliberately dialed down and sensitivity dialed at the same time, the brain's reward center becomes unusually active, continuously intensifying the anticipation and desire for the new relationship. This redistribution of neural activity is not random. It serves a clear purpose: to provide psychological support for the behavior about to happen. The hippocampus, which manages memory processing, begins selectively retrieving negative fragments from the marriage. The amygdala, the emotional processing center, has its sensitivity recalibrated, making it less responsive to guilt-inducing stimuli. The secretion pattern of neurotransmitters in the brain also changes dramatically. The balance of chemicals like dopamine and serotonin is disrupted, creating a unique neurochemical environment. These changes aren't temporary. They gradually become entrenched as the behavior continues, eventually forming a new neural activity pattern. The heart, as the core of the circulatory system, undergoes equally deep and complex changes. This tireless muscle immediately adjusts its working mode to accommodate the new psychological state. During the initial decision-making stage, the contraction rate of the heart muscle increases significantly, each beat like an alarm bell warning of potential risks and consequences. The rhythm of filling and emptying the chambers becomes irregular, reflecting internal conflict and struggle. But over time, the heart gradually adapts to this state, operating within an unnaturally steady rhythm. This adaptation isn't merely physiological, but a profound systemic adjustment. To align with the new psychological condition, blood flow in the coronary artery self-regulates to ensure just the right supply of oxygen and nutrients to the heart. Muscle, the opening and closing of heart valves, becomes more precise, each closure executed like a calculated move. Even the pathways of electrical signals through the heart shift subtly, so that an EKG might look normal, while concealing hidden anomalies. When facing their partner, the heart can maintain a remarkably stable state, no longer easily betraying inner turmoil. This precision control turns the heartbeat, the most honest physiological indicator, into a controllable variable. The lungs also undergo notable changes. This crucial organ for gas exchange immediately adapts its mode of operation to fit the new psychological demands. The rhythm of lung expansion and contraction shifts, maintaining a calm breathing rate when appearing composed, and quickly returning to normal in moments of tension. The bronchi adjust their dilation spontaneously, ensuring airflow moves at an optimal rate. The diaphragm's motion becomes more precise and controlled, subtly adjusting breathing depth and frequency. The neural regulation of the respiratory system is recalibrated, turning what is normally an automatic process into something partially controllable. Blood flow in the lungs capillaries also shifts, optimizing gas exchange efficiency to provide the body with just the right oxygen supply. Even in moments of emotional turbulence, the respiratory system maintains external calm. There's rarely any panting or noticeable shortness of breath. The skin, the body's largest organ, also undergoes comprehensive and profound changes. This protective barrier covering the entire body activates a special response mode. The sensitivity of the epidermis is recalibrated, with the threshold for nerve endings response shifting so that reactions to external stimuli match the intended outward expression. The skin's metabolic activity also adjusts, including the renewal rate of the stratum corneum and the secretion level of sebaceous glands. These changes are not isolated, but coordinated to serve one purpose: perfectly conceal the true inner state. The skin seems to wear a smart cloak, accurately reflecting the desired emotion while flawlessly hiding what shouldn't be revealed. Sensitivities like touch, temperature, and pain are recalibrated so that physical reactions to external contact align with the role being portrayed. This all-around adjustment turns the skin into the ultimate emotional regulator and information filter. Asterisk. Please remember to subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications to watch the latest videos. Goodbye, and see you in the next video.